Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best things to get an Airsofter for Christmas. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So one of the most asked questions is what to get an Airsofter for Christmas, because you really can't get them a gun because that is a lot of money, but that does not exclude all guns, because there are some guns like this gun right here, which is a CO2 powered pistol that costs around $40, which is not a bad gift for Christmas. There are things like BBs, magazines, speed loaders, different masks, different things that you can get an Airsoft for Christmas without going all out. So without further ado, let's talk about all of those gifts. So the first gift that I will talk about is, yes, this CO2 powered pistol. It is a Ruger P345. It's a CO2 powered pistol with a 15 round magazine that you insert right in the bottom here. And in order to put the CO2 in, pop the mag out, pull the slide back, and there you have it right there. That's where you put the CO2 in right there. Pop it back on, mag back in. It's perfect. And on Amazon, this retails for $40, but it depends on when you get it. The price fluctuates between $35 and $45, but it's roughly around $40. A perfect gift to go along with that pistol would be this pack of 40 canisters of CO2. It also retails for like $30, something like that, but it's 40 canisters if you look. And I've had this since September, so I've had it for over 2 months, and I think I've used maybe 10, not even. It is the perfect gift, and it will last a long time. Another one of those stocking stuffers would be BBs. These ones are biodegradable, and they come in packs of 4,000, and each pack is like $10. So you can buy like 20,000 for like $50, which is not bad. Because there are some that you can buy for like, you can buy like a pack of 2,000 for like $15. They're biodegradable. They're also like, it's just BBs. Like, you don't want to shoot like 0.12 Gs out of your gun. That would just like shatter inside the gun. So you want to shoot something at least 0.2s. I shoot 0.25s in my gun, but like for like sniper rifles, you shoot like heavier BBs so they go farther. But yeah, I'd recommend 0.25s. These cost $10 for a pack of 4,000. They work really well. And if you're gonna get somebody the BBs, you might as well just throw in a speed loader, which is another great stocking stuffer because this costs around $6. This one is a 155 round speed loader, but that's only if you fill it up to here, right there, that last dot. I fill it all the way to the top, so it holds like 180, 190, something like that. And that is a lot more worth the money because I can fill up around 1.5 of my mid-cap mags with just one of these, which is perfect. Great segue into the next thing, which will be mags. The next gift that we'll be talking about is mags. You can never have too many mags. The mags that I have here are Lancer Tactical mid-cap mags. They hold 130 rounds. They have pull tabs. They're just one piece of full polymer, which is awesome. And they have this little see-through plastic part here where you can see how many BBs you have left when you get low. So once it gets to here, you have about 30 BBs and then you're all out. But these are just really nice. They're really durable. You can buy a pack of 3 like this for $47. You can also buy like just one for I think $16. So if you buy a pack of 3, saves you about $5 maybe. But yeah, mags are totally worth the money because when you're playing in Airsoft, you don't have time to reload your magazines. So you want to just drop your mag, pop in a new one. It's way quicker than trying to refill a mag. Other great stocking stuffers include like slings, holsters, different mounts, stuff like that. I actually picked up this jacket from a thrift store for $6. And it's in very good condition. It's got different pockets, lots of spots for patches. That's another great thing, patches. And if you are looking to spend a little bit more on your kids these holidays, or anybody who wants Airsoft stuff, plate carriers and battle belts and different things like that, even maybe like a cheaper AEG, just different stuff like that, are perfect options for you. For example, this rifle right here that I have, it's a Lancer Tactical Gen 2 AEG. It was, I think, $189.99 on Amazon, but it didn't come with the mags, the scope, or the hand grip or anything. It's just the gun and a battery and then one high cap magazine, but it costs like $190, and you can buy extra mags for like another $15. But if you are looking to spend a little bit more on your kids, this is a great rifle and starter rifle for people, so I'll put the link in the description, so go check that out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you really liked it, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. That really helps. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.